Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a header in Excel. We'll discuss inserting text, pictures, or page numbers into an Excel document's header. Let's get started. Firstly, let's display the header in the sheet. Go to the View tab and click on Page Layout. Then click anywhere at the top of the document to access these three sections. Here, we can insert various elements into the header. Suppose we want to insert page numbers in the left part of the header. Click into the selected header section, then go to the Header and Footer tab on the ribbon and choose Page Number. Excel uses this code for page numbers. Click anywhere within the document area, and the header will display the page number. To add a total page count to the page numbers, click into the header again, type / to separate the two numbers, then click on Number of Pages. Once clicked outside the header area, you'll see the desired result. Page number followed by the number of pages separated by a slash. The same method can be used to insert. For instance, current date, file path, file name, or the sheet name. Now let's see how to insert a picture, as there are some essential points to note. If you wish to add a logo to the right side of the header, click there, go to Header and Footer Elements, and select Picture. Excel will provide various options for locations to browse and add the picture. Assuming the logo is ready on our computer drive, select the appropriate option, locate the picture folder. And confirm with the Insert button. Once inserted, click anywhere into the document area to view the picture. It may appear too large, but it can be easily formatted. Click on the right section of the header again, go to the Header and Footer Elements tab, and choose Format Picture. You'll see a window where adjustments to the inserted picture can be made. In this case, we'll focus on its size. Adjust the size by specifying the exact height and width or changing the percentage under Scale. Let's use the Scale option and set the height to 5%. Click OK and the picture will resize accordingly. Next, let's try adding text, which is straightforward. Click on the Header section where you want to insert the text. Here, we'll type in sales data. And that's it. Click anywhere in the spreadsheet and the text will appear in the document's header. You can adjust the font type, size, and color of the text to match the document style. For instance, we'll change the font type to Arial and set the size to 16. If any inserted elements overlap the document area, adjust the border of the header accordingly. Let's explore a few more interesting tips. If you need a different header on the first page, it can be done quickly. Click into the header, open Header and Footer Tools, and select Different First Page. This allows modification on the first page header without affecting the others. Moreover, the section contains useful options like different odd and even pages, enabling headers on odd and even pages to differ. And of course, you can remove any elements from the header anytime. Simply click on it and delete it. For instance, to remove the text Sales Data, select it, press Delete, and it's gone. All these tricks apply equally to the document's footer. Once you're done with the header, return to the regular view by selecting the normal view in the View tab. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.